Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is D Styles World with another banging tutorial. Let's get straight into it. First, I'm going to be adding glow oil to our body just so her chest and that area can just shine. So for hydration, I use the Dalba spray.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase and leave.
Next, I'm going to be applying the Glow Recipe Serum under her eyes, and then whatever is left, I just spread it all through the face, just so I can have a highly hydrated face.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
Now for moisturizing the face, I'm going to be using my Embryolisse moisturizer. Take note that if you're using your hands to do this step, you have to wash your hands thoroughly. You must work on clean hand. Next, I'm going to be applying my primer. I'm going to be using the Grip Primer from Cosmetic. Now I'm going in with the Grip Primer from e.l.f. all over the face as well. Next, I'm going to be using my Sylvie MAC Smoothing Primer as well, all over the face. And to lock everything in, I'm going to be using my Morphe spray. Lastly, I'm going to be applying my Becca Mattifying Primer. For foundation, I'm mixing the NARS Sylvie MAC and L'Oreal foundation just to get her shade. For blush, I'm using my Beyond Beauty lip palette for blush. Sorry, this clip is blurry. Honestly, I lost a lot of clip. Recording this is just as if all the odds were against me while recording this video, but I was like, nah, I just had to put, some things together. And at the end of the day, this is what we have. So for highlighting, I used my Bondi Sweet concealer, and I'm just blending all of that out. For contour, I'm going to be using this Fenty Beauty foundation in 498 and 495. So I'm applying around that area and the nose area as well. Now I'm going to be blending it out to have a snatched looking nose. Can you see how the skin is shining? So I don't know, while I was showing the baking powder, I mistakenly shifted the camera and this is what we have. So I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder just to set the under eye area, alright, and all the areas that I highlighted using the concealer. So for a full face, I'm going to be using my Sephora powder in the shade Espresso and my Sylvie MAC 12-in-1 powder palette. I'm going to be combining the last page with the Espresso, and then I'm going to be using that all over her face. For contour, I'm going to be using the Meet the Brown eyeshadow palette from Annie's for my contour today, and I'm going to be using that to contour both her cheek area and then the forehead as well as the nose. I'm adding that color just to warm up the face a little. For blush, I'm still using the Annie's but their cheek orgasm palette. So now I'm going to be using the Dalba and Morphe spray. First, I'm going in with my Dalba spray just to give more hydration to the face, and then I use my Morphe spray to set the entire face. I don't know, I thought I was recording, but I don't know, for some weird reasons my phone went off and I couldn't record the eyeshadow and every other thing. But this is a finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the skin work. Thank you. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.